Yeah, we saw RCD RV over in the Celeste Center, but this is the Voinovich building. And you're not going to be disappointed. You stop over here by the big RCD RV Super Center. Look at this. Here's Motor Mike. Say hi, Mike.
How you doing? Welcome in.
All right. So we're over in the Voinovich, and this is where you're going to find some of the Mac Daddy RVs. This is what you want to see if you're really into the luxury of the road. Oh my gosh, that thing's, I doubt that thing would even fit in my driveway. But these are some spectacular items here to see. So you've got a lot of the drivables over here, different than what you saw in the Voinovich. I'm sorry, what you saw in the Celeste Center. So this in the Voinovich has so many more to see. And here, let's peek inside the back here. Look at this. Yes. And the Class A's, look at this. Oh, yeah, that's what you want to see. With the TV on the outside, everything waiting for you. Love to take you in. Look at this. And it's just a camper van that's just set up to roll. You gotta love that, man. And these amenities here, you can see the bed folds down. A lot of space in there. It does have the pop-up up inside there. So these are, you know, custom, just made for what you need. Okay, here we go. Holy cow. This one is, it just feels so huge. This feels like it goes forever. You can feel I love the light color of this in here. And man, what a cool sink that is. So the sink and shower, the bed. This is a drivable. You drive down the road in this thing. Now the sun blind is closed down here, but that's your cabin and bed from overhead. So really, really cool Class A. But again, there's a lot of different items in here than what you would find in the Celeste Center. So RCD has 2 different locations. Make sure you stop at each one of them if you really want to get the variety and see everything. And I can tell you from experience, man, you're never going to be disappointed just coming through. I can only scratch the surface of what's available here at the RCD RV booth. And well, like I said, you can check them out on their website.